Okay, traders, the gold monster trade, I've been talking about this for some time. If you go back through my videos, you'll see it back in here where we started earlier on, and we were talking about these earlier trades. So some of my followers are still in this, are in these trades, and what we're doing is closing 50% at 1R and then opening the next position. Stop loss, we're just trailing it slightly, just bringing it up about halfway. These ones down the bottom, stop loss could go to break even, and the ones closer to the current level, price level, once you close the previous, you just pull your stop loss up halfway because you don't want to, tighten it up too much. All right, so the last one I posted was this one, so that worked out. Okay, we're in this trade, and look, it's a very, very simple strategy. I'm now waiting on a higher high and a pullback for the next entry, right? And we've already closed 50% of this. That's done and dusted. So this is already profitable. Stop loss has been pulled up, and if the stop loss gets taken out, it's in the money. It's already profitable. Okay, so that's the situation with all of these trades. The idea is we hold these, and I mean, I was targeting 6,000, but I've extended my target to 10,000. And whatever it takes, and we just leave these older trades in the system. We just leave them in there, don't touch them. All right, so I'm just waiting now on this to set up a higher high and come back exactly as we did here, exactly as it did here, exactly as it did. It's no different. That's it, guys. Monster trade, and what we're aiming to do is catch a reversal on the higher time frame. Let's just go out to a 4 hour. And when you do, you can build this monster trade. Okay, so all of these positions are still in. And what happens is these positions in here that we already closed 50%. Okay, every now and again, it's going to pull back. It's going to be a deep pullback. And if it pulls back this far, we lose that one, and that one. But keep in mind, we've already closed 50% and moved our stop loss. So they're profitable trades regardless. As it pulls back and takes those out, these are still in there. And yeah, I mean, scrunch it up. We leave them in. All right, so this trade from back here is still running, right, and is currently sitting at 25R. It's currently sitting at 25R. And, I mean, how many of these can you enter through the week? Maybe 5 or 6? Or more. So every week, if we've got, say, a minimum of 5 trades, add it up, guys. I'll let you do the math, right? So this is the strategy, and I mean, you can start building this at any time. Now is the perfect time. Wait for the next expansion and pullback, and take that next trade. So I'll go back down to a 30-minute. That's the monster trade strategy, and yeah, join us on this journey and build. I mean, look, seriously, if you think about it, do the maths, this is an extremely profitable way to trade. And we're doing the same thing with Bitcoin, although it's pulled back a bit, and we'll have to have another look at it. Okay, so that's gold. Just wait for that next pullback. Very simple. See how it trades back? Okay, if it does extend and it trends back, it's going to break structure. All right, that's your entry. Right, so you just got to have a system in place to give you the entry, to tell you when there's the price is starting to rotate, right? It pulls back, it rotates, you enter on that, stop loss under the low, and at 1R, look to take 50%, okay, 50% target, 50% off at TP1. And go for broke with your ultimate target. I mean, I'm going to, set it up at 10,000. I'll just keep moving it. Okay, that's it. Love it if you would comment and share your thoughts on this. Let me know what you think. And yeah, that's the strategy. So we're just waiting for this now to set up. And the other thing is, this could turn around and head south. And if so, then we will lose that one. We might lose this one. Sometimes it's going to go for a deep pullback. Excuse me. And then, continue on. It doesn't matter. All right. So we just keep building this regardless. Okay, with that, have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.